We are diving into Shopify Incorporated, ticker symbol SHOP. Kicking things off here with the Quant rating system. Currently has a hold rating on the stock, and we're going to dive into the metrics in just a moment. Jumping over to the Seeking Alpha analysts, they currently have a hold in aggregate, and that's 10 analysts providing coverage in the last 30 days. Lastly, Wall Street currently has a buy rating on the stock with 52 analysts providing coverage in the last 90 days. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha Quant system and Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. So let's dive deeper. This is a $206.91 billion market capitalization company within the information technology sector and internet service and infrastructure industry. Diving into the valuation grade here, it's currently a D, and we're going to look at the enterprise value to sales, which is currently 18.79 compared to the sector at 3.74, which is a little rich. And we're also looking at the price to cash flow, which is currently 107.6 compared to the sector at 18.86. And also to mention, the PEG non-GAAP forward is 4.49 compared to the sector at 1.74, 158% premium, showcasing that this company is going to have to continue to grow to keep these valuations. Jumping over to the growth grade, which is currently an A-, the year-over-year revenue growth of 30.25% is amazing to see compared to the sector at 8.47%. And the EPS gap growth is 147.14% compared to the sector at 11.21%. Jumping into profitability, that is an A- grade currently as well. Net income margin at 16.65% compared to the sector at 4.66%. Jumping into momentum, B+ grade right now. That is amazing, 76.62% 1-year price performance there. The 3-month price performance has slowed down a little bit, only 7.76%, something to keep an eye on. Lastly, checking out the revisions, currently a C grade. We have 17 up revisions and 13 down revisions for earnings per share over the last 3 months. And looking at the revenue numbers, 40 up revisions with 0 down revisions, showcasing a nice bullish sentiment for Shopify here over the last 3 months.
We are not advising you personally concerning the nature, potential, value, or suitability of any particular security. You alone are solely responsible for determining whether any investment, security, or strategy, or any product or service is appropriate or suitable for you based on your investment objectives and personal and financial situation. This presentation is for informational purposes only. Content is presented as of the date published or indicated and may be superseded by future events. It represents my opinions, which may not reflect the views of Seeking Alpha as a whole. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, or U.S. investment advisor or investment bank.